Arkadag is located on the bank of the river Herper. Arkadag is a small but very green and beautiful town, and it is our school number 3. We invite you to have a tour to our school. Welcome! Our school is big and nice. About 500 pupils study in school number 3. You can see lesson of the first class of primary school. Each of our classes lasts 45 minutes. School day starts at 8 o'clock and ends at 2 p.m. Many of the students come in to ask questions about their lessons or even just to chat. There are a lot of studies in our school. There are a lot of posters, portraits in every class. One of the most interesting studies in our school is school museum. You can find a lot of interesting things about the history of our town and school there. Sport is a very important part in the life of our school. And you can see PE lesson. Students play various sport games, play sport, for example, volleyball, basketball, tennis, football. Some students take part in different sport competitions. These are awards of our students. Teachers very often use computer technologies. Each lesson of every teacher is very interesting and unusual. Also, students of our school take part in different Olympiads, competitions, projects, because most of our students learn very well. We would like to tell you about the most important places in our school. The first place is a school canteen. Every child can snack there. The first aid is one of the most important cabinets in our school. If you are sick, you can come to our nurse and she will help you. Students and teachers like celebrating holidays very much. The first holiday which we celebrate in first school day is the Day of Knowledge. It is one of our favorite holidays. Head of Arkadag visits this holiday every year. Also, he gives presents for students. Besides, Students' Corner spent a very popular event for students. Let's watch a part of performance of pupils of 11th grader. Last holidays which we celebrate was the last call. Students like this holiday because school year ends and summer starts. Our tour is coming to the end. We hope that you like our school as we do. Goodbye.